Next, I would request H. Manoj Kumar to come forward and receive his gift. Manoj has been the student of Holy Mary High School since 2006 in class first. I believe that he also spent his kindergarten years in this school. Let us now see what my ninth classmates have composed to sing for him.
हर पल मेरियां यादां विच है तू दिमागी गल में दसां ते दसां फिर तेनों तेरी मेरी एक पढ़ाई मौत तू पढ़ूं मैं लिखूं मैं एग्जाम्स के लिए मैं क्या करूं धीरे धीरे से मेरे दिमाग में आने